All right, so talking about something new, a new workflow, a new application, we will be talking about day and night. So this is the day shot, and this is what I was able to achieve in a night shot, and even this one. So each one differs. I'll show you guys how did I prompt this one. So I'll do a refresh page. This is what I recommend personally, so it does not take anything from the previous workflow. I'll upload this image and I will take this prompt, make this a night shot, and I'm gonna show you how we can tweak our night shots to get as close as possible to what we are trying to achieve. So I'll do generate now and I'll see a simple make this a night shot. So sometimes I need a complex prompt, sometimes I need a really simple prompt to describe what I'm looking for. Because the more I complicate it, the more I'm gonna, get this jittery results that I'm not looking for, or this additional objects. So it's not really always necessary to be specific, detailed. Sometimes it is, but sometimes having a simple prompt can do the job. So there you go, guys. We've got a night shot, and if I want to post produce this one on Photoshop and be able to achieve just this one without editing it, without anything else, then it's going to take me a good amount of time to be able to, have the lights, have the, extract the sky. The sky is the easiest, but, have the GI effect on everything else. This is going to take me a decent amount of time to be able to produce a night shot. But in our case, it was a couple of seconds. So great. I like it, but the problem is that I believe it's a bit dark. So what I can do is that I can take a new prompt now with the differences here is that the shot with a high light intensity also add lighting to the street poles and a blue sky. So I'll do Control V here. And what I will add different, since we're experimenting together, is that I want to go and tell it that I want also light the neighboring building. Let's see what we can get. So when I prompted that I want even higher intensity and light up the street, this is what I got. This was the previous one. I got a higher intensity one and even more beautiful one and more realistic. But now I want to tell it to light even this building. So let's see what's going to come up with. Great. Great. It hasn't lighted the building that is near to it, but it has definitely light up the street. And it has came up with really beautiful colors for a night shot. Really realistic. So this is the last one I was doing on my own. And now we've got this. So to compare, they're very close because like it's the same prompt, same image. But I believe that this is less saturated. I like this one more. So you guys can see with just a couple of clicks, now we can get a night shot. And usually, if I want to do this in a 3D software, I need to flip the entire setup and the entire lighting and assign lighting to objects and do the ambient light for us to be able to get night rendering. And usually when I'm doing this, I need, for me personally, I take a copy of the file and just name it night shot to be able to, produce as many night shots as possible rather than, flipping between day and night all the time to render day, then night, then night, then day. And it takes a lot of time, but this one takes really, really short amount of time. So this is how we create a night shot from a day shot. I hope you guys benefit from this one. See you guys in the next ones.